Hello family, today is my first episode on my YouTube channel and I'm come to prepare breakfast. This breakfast is called continental breakfast, going with beef burger. You can go with tea, Milo coffee of your choice. This is our burger bread, these are our vegetables, this is the beef and this is the lettuce. So first of all, you wash your beef and dash it to small pieces. You can also chop it to small. Put it aside. I've cleaned 3 pieces of garlic. You add your ginger. Together you chop it into pieces. So you add your garlic and ginger to your beef. You put your spices. This is my white pepper. Add black pepper to small. Salt. Small Maggi. Now you mix it. So because of the nature of the bread, you have to make it flat, mold it. So you fry it. So now I'll put my oil on fire. So now I'll pour my oil inside. So now I'll put my beef inside. I'll clean my vegetables whilst waiting for the beef. So now the beef is ready. So now wash my lettuce. You wash it with vinegar. But when you get to where you don't have vinegar, you put your salt. So I've finished watering the vegetables. So I'm now come to cut it. So you cut it round. I'm done with the vegetables. I'll take my bread. Divide the bread. This is the burger bread. So divide it into 2. So I'm done with the bread too. I'll apply my ingredients again. This is ketchup. So I apply both mayonnaise and ketchup on the bread you divided. You now use your knife to spread it to make sure that I get to all edges. Okay. I'm done with the spreading. I'll now put my vegetables on it. It goes like this. The lettuce will come first. You put your onion on top of the lettuce. Add your green pepper, tomatoes as well. Now you now go for your beef. So after that, you add your white pepper small. You still need your ketchup and your mayonnaise again. So you add some of the vegetable on top of the beef. Add small ketchup. And your mayonnaise small. To the last part, you use your lettuce again. Now, the other part of the bread, you cover it. My breakfast is ready. I'm coming to serve it. So the breakfast is ready. That's beef burger. This is my tea bag. I've put it inside the hot water. This is my sugar. And this is my milk. Add 2 spoons of sugar. I'll add my milk. Stir it. Now breakfast is ready. I have my cameraman here with me to have taste of the food.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay. This breakfast is breakfast. And this is proper breakfast. I'm coming, wait.
Take it easy.
Please subscribe to this channel and watch out for more beautiful videos from Chef Malik Eric. So please subscribe to the channel.